Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday to you all. We're back from a nice long weekend. Hope everybody had a wonderful Easter. And we'll go ahead and get started here with our chart of the week. And this week, we're taking a look at old favorite Netflix. It looks like it's ready to make a move to some higher ground. So we'll mark this chart up as we go along. What's interesting here about Netflix is, of course, the stock got absolutely just drilled from the beginning of the year. And we can see how far the stock fell down near 20, 24, 25%. It closed at the end of December at about 115. It hit a low of about 79, 80 bucks around February 8th, 9th of this year. So a real spectacular fall. But since then, it's worked its way up. And we can see here that it has made a move back up to near the 100 area. And it's really sort of consolidating around this 97, call it, to about $97 to about 101 range, right? But what's interesting is that in this month of March, we've had, during this consolidation, we've had some decent volume, but we've seen the volume sort of taper off here. But then more recently, we've seen that volume start to rise. And that's what we'd like to see. After a consolidation, we see the interest start coming back into the stock. We've had some pullbacks here on the stock, and we can see that the relative strength index has held that 50 level, which was a key area to hold back in the early part of March. We held it just last week. We made a higher high on the chart as well. And I think that this stock, certainly has a momentum in here. And let's face it, Netflix is one of those high beta, high juice names that lots of traders like to get onto. And we can see just a couple of days ago, Wednesday and Thursday, the stock pulled in, gave a little bit of an opportunity to get on board, but shot right back up today. It was strong all day long today on Monday, and it was quite notable. So where do we think the stock is going to be headed to? Of course, it's got lots of resistance ahead here. We see some resistance coming in at about the 200-day moving average, which comes in at just under 106 bucks, 105.95. What we like here is the fact that moving averages have started to turn higher, and we're trading in the higher end of the range as well to the more recent range, so that's a positive. Look, if the market does correct, it's going to take Netflix down with it, no question about it. But as long as the markets stay afloat here and the action remains constructive, I think that Netflix is going to get some interest, and we should see the stock start moving higher again. They have earnings coming out in about 3.5, 4 weeks. That's always an adventure as well, too. For now, I think Netflix has got some higher prices ahead, maybe 5, 10% perhaps in the not so distant future. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.